Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NOKIA T20 and let me share with you how to change the ringtone or the notification sound. So first of all, let's enter the settings and now let's scroll a little bit and find the sound. Now we have to scroll down just a little bit to find the default notification and default alarm sound. Because this is a tablet, we do not have the ringtone itself, so I will show you how to change it using the notification sound, for example. So let's tap on it, and as you can see, we've been immediately transferred to the full list of all defaultly installed notification sounds from which we can choose. What's more, at the very top of it we've got the none option, which means that after picking it, your device won't notify you about the notifications. I mean, it will notify you, but without the sound feedback. And on the other hand, at the very bottom of the list, we've got add notification, which means that after tapping on it, we will be transferred to our own files, and if we will have any compatible ones, they will appear right here and you will be able to pick them and set them as a notification sound. If you cannot find them in recents, just tap on this 3 bars icon and you will be able to pick some other folders. But let me get back to the defaultly installed ones, and all you have to do in order to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, because usually you want to check it before setting, then just tap on it. And of course you will not hear anything because I've got this device muted. So let me turn on. Okay, so this is how you can check the sounds of all of them, which are applied right here. And if you're happy with your choice, all you have to do is to simply make sure that the notification sound you would like to set is marked, just like in my case this Karme or something. I have no idea how to say that. And tap on OK. And as you can see, we just got back to the sound settings, and under it we've got notified that we just changed the notification sound and our device will use the chosen one. And it will work, of course, the same with the alarm sound. So actually this is it. This is how to change notification sound in your NOKIA T20. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.